Hey you guys, it's Siobhan. I'm just coming to you guys with this look. Unfortunately, I recorded the eyes on another camera and I lost the cord, so that's here nor there. But let's begin with us blending out that concealer from Makeup Revolution. This has been my go-to. I'm just going to blend that all out. I use the same brush I use to blend out my foundation. That is just an e.l.f. Brush. It's one of my favorites that I've been using. I'm just going to blend that completely. And then we're going to go into setting that concealer. This is Invisible from Ruby Kisses. And I am just going to set under my eyes. Basically everywhere that I put that concealer, we are going to make sure we set that completely. Now, I dip it in the powder and I press it into my face. I do not put on a whole lot. I don't have oily skin. I have normal skin, so like it can get a little dry, but not much. So I just let it kind of bake in and let my natural oils in my face kind of take it all in. And now we're going to go into me putting in the contour portion. I use, I believe, C14 in Makeup Revolution. I'm going to put it all over my forehead, in my cheekbones, on my nose. See, this is why I can't go nowhere. Y'all see me dancing. Excuse my elbows and arms all in your way. And I'm going to blend those out. I want to make sure I blend it out completely so that it goes flush, I guess, into my skin. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm going to keep blending in that concealer from Makeup Revolution that we lay down on our forehead, on our cheekbones. You want to make sure that you blend that out completely so that you don't see a separation between the darker concealer on the contour areas from your foundation. Then I took the matte powder from Makeup Revolution. I used C13 and then C11. C13 I used in my cheekbones and on my forehead, and on the C11 I used that to dust away the excess powder from the Ruby Kisses. And I'm not really swiping, it's more so a pat, because you don't want to really swipe. You don't want to go harsh to pat away the rest of that powder, but you just kind of want to blend it all in. Now, to soak up all that powder we just used, I take my Morphe setting spray and I spray that all over. I get my face completely drenched, and then I'm going to fan that, let that dry. Before it dries completely, I want to take that highlight from Fenty and Milani Cosmetics Rose Blush, and I am just going to kind of pat that in. And in the event that I use too much, and like I always end up doing, I put way too much highlight, I take a blending brush that I use to blend out the powder and kind of take the excess powder, don't put more, but just kind of help blend those out so that they're not as bright on my face. The lashes that I used in this look are going to be from, y'all don't pay no mind to my dancing, but the lashes that I used were from AliExpress. I did take another spray over, kind of final spray of the Morphe setting spray, and then I take my Emphasis lash fan, because Lord knows I need to get another fan, and I take that and kind of help fan that dry, kind of blend out and get everything in its place. But I did take that last Morphe spray all over my face before I finish. I am going to line my lips with a Wet n Wild brown pencil, and just kind of lightly go over it. Then I'm going to take my lipstick from NYX and it's a nude, along with some lip gloss from NYX, and put that on. I did go back in with my liner and kind of darken that line. But this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm hoping to come with more looks, and y'all don't mind my crazy dancing. This is why I can't get nothing done. All right, see you guys in my next video.